In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails for Zoho workflows. We'll be setting this up directly inside Zoho CRM. And the process is quite straightforward once you know where each option is located. The goal here is to create a workflow rule that automatically sends emails based on conditions you define, so your follow-up process can happen without needing to do everything manually. To begin, open your browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, head into the settings area. If you want to find the right section quickly, use the search bar in settings and type in Workflow Rules. From the results, select Workflow Rules to open the automation area where these rules are managed. Once you're there, click Create Rule. This is where you'll begin building the automation. The first thing Zoho will ask you to do is select a module. This simply means choosing the type of record the workflow should apply to, such as leads. Pick the module that matches the kind of email automation you want to create. Next, enter a rule name. Make the name clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple automations. After that, add a description. This is helpful for keeping track of what the workflow is meant to do and when it should be used. Then click Next. On the following screen, you'll choose when the workflow should be executed. You'll see the option to select Execute this workflow rule based on, and this is where you define the type of trigger for the automation. Choose the option that matches your intended use, then click Next to continue. Now you'll move into the criteria section, where you can customize lead matching conditions. This is the part that determines which records should trigger the email automation. Depending on your needs, you can select all leads, or you can narrow it down using certain conditions, so only specific leads qualify. Take a moment here to make sure your criteria reflect exactly who should receive the automated email. Once you're satisfied, click Done. After that, select Actions and follow the prompts on your screen. This is where you connect the workflow to the email automation itself. As you go through the setup, make sure the action you choose aligns with the workflow you've just created. Once everything is completed and saved, your emails will be automated. That means Zoho CRM will handle the sending process for you whenever the workflow conditions are met, helping you save time and keep communication consistent.